and welcome back to Learn English with Podcast. I'm Kevin, and today we have a really important topic for you, one that affects every English learner. Don't waste your time.
That's right. Time is life. If we waste our time, we are wasting our life a little bit every day.
Today's topic is how to stop wasting time, especially when you are learning English. We'll share 5 simple tips, real stories, and useful vocabulary. So let's get started.
But first, a quick favor. If this podcast helps you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is learning English. Especially that friend who says, I have no time to study, but spends 1 hour scrolling on their phone.
We all know that friend. Sometimes it's us. So, what does waste your time actually mean? In simple words, to waste time means you use your time for something that is not important and not helpful for you.
Think about time like water in a bottle. You only have a certain amount. If you pour it on the floor, you can't drink it later. That is wasting time. And sometimes we know it, right? We finish and we feel, why did I do that? That feeling of regret. I could have used that time better. That is a clear sign.
Like when you say, I'll watch one short video, and then 40 minutes later, you're still there, and you don't even remember what you watched.
Yes, that happens to so many people. So now we know the meaning. Let's talk about how to stop, starting with tip number 1.
Tip number 1. Make a tiny plan. Not a big plan, a tiny one.
Think of a plan like a GPS in your car. When you don't put any address in the GPS, the car goes anywhere. You drive in circles, you waste petrol, you waste time.
But when you put one simple address, the GPS tells you, turn here, go straight, you will arrive. A tiny plan is like putting the address for your day.
Many learners say, today I will improve my English. But that is too big, too vague. Vague means not clear. Instead, make a tiny plan. Today, I will learn 3 new words. Today, I will listen to 10 minutes of a podcast. Today, I will read 1 page of a story.
I have a small personal example. When I started learning, I told myself every day I will study for 1 hour. It was too big. I got tired, I skipped days, and I felt bad.
I understand that feeling.
Then I changed the plan. I said, every day I will do 10 minutes. That's all. Some days I did more, but my promise to myself was just 10 minutes. And that worked much better. I could keep my promise. I didn't feel scared to start. And every time I finished, I felt proud.
So tip 1, a tiny plan is like a small, clear address in your GPS. You know where to go. You waste less time thinking, what should I do now? Tip
number 2. Use your pocket time. Think of time like coins. During the day,
Tip number 2. Use your pocket time. Think of time like coins. During the day, you have some big coins, like 1-hour blocks. But you also have many small coins. 5 minutes here, 7 minutes there, 3 minutes there.
Like when you wait for the bus, or sit in a taxi, or wait in a line.
Exactly. Many people throw these small coins in the trash. They just scroll, scroll, scroll. But if you collect these small coins, you can build something big.
I have a friend who improved her English mostly in pocket time. She has 2 kids and a job, so she is very busy. She said, "I never have one full hour, but I have many small minutes." So she used those minutes. 5 minutes walking to the bus, 10 minutes at lunch, 7 minutes before sleep. After a few months, she understood more and could speak better.
Those little coins turned into a big treasure. So, where are your pocket times today?
Tip number 3, make English fun. Because if it feels like punishment, your brain will run away from it.
Imagine you are a child, and every time you play, someone shouts, "Do it perfectly. Don't make mistakes." The child will stop playing. Learning is the same. If English always feels heavy and serious, your brain says, "No thanks."
So connect English to things you already like. I love music. I remember one song that really helped me. I printed the lyrics, the words of the song, and listened again and again. I circled new words. I sang in the shower. I tried to copy the voice. It was fun, and I learned a lot.
I love stories and shows. I watched a short series in English. At first, with subtitles in my own language. Then later, with English subtitles. After some time, I could understand many lines without reading. Like a small victory every day.
Fun is important because it helps you stay with English longer. If you watch a show in English and you learn new phrases, you are not just watching, you are growing.
So, tip 3. Don't just push yourself. Also, play with English. Songs, stories, games, funny videos with English subtitles. Use them wisely.
Tip number 4. Watch out for time thieves. A time thief is something that steals your time without giving you anything good. For many people, that is social media.
I remember one evening, I sat on my bed just to check one message. Then I saw a funny video, then a short clip, then a comment, then a news story. My brain was full, but I didn't learn anything. And when I finished, I felt tired and a little sad.
So we need to protect ourselves from these time thieves. Some simple rules that help. When I study, my phone stays in another room. I only check social media after I finish my tiny English plan. I turn off notifications for 1 hour.
It's like locking the door when a thief is outside. You don't hate the thief, but you protect your house. When you protect your focus, you can do more in less time, and you feel more in control of your life.
Now, tip number 5, and this one is very important. If we say, don't waste your time, does that mean we must work and study every minute?
No, not at all. Rest is not wasting time.
Think about your body and your mind like a phone battery. If you use your phone all day and never charge it, it dies. We are the same. If we work, study, run around, and never stop, our battery goes to 0.
Good sleep, quiet time, and simple rest are like charging the battery. I once tried to work on a project late at night. I was tired, but I pushed myself. I spent 2 hours, but the work was not good. The next morning, after sleep, I did the same work again in just 30 minutes. And it was better.
So sometimes resting is smarter than pushing. It is not wasting time. It is preparing you to use your time better later. The key is balance. Some time to study, some time to work, some time to have fun, and some time to have fun.
Now, let's go over today's useful words and phrases.
Intentional. When you do something on purpose, not by accident. Example, I am intentional with my time. I choose to study English for 10 minutes.
Vague. Not clear. Example, improve my English is a vague plan. Learn 3 new words today is clear.
Pocket time. The small pieces of time in your day.
Example, I use my pocket time to listen to English on the bus.
Time thief. Something that steals your time without giving you anything good. Example, mindless scrolling is a time thief for me.
Invest. To use time or energy now. To get something better in the future. Example, when I listen to this podcast, I invest my time in my future.
Balance. When different parts of life are in a good mix. Not too much, not too little. Example, I want a balance between work, English, fun, and rest.
So here is your challenge for today. Step 1. Choose one tiny English goal. Step 2. Decide when you will do it. Step 3. Make it a little fun. Step 4. After you finish, say something kind to yourself. Good job!